Hi everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a Trendsend unboxing. Now if you aren't familiar with Trendsend, it is an online subscription service where you are given a personal stylist who will send you 2 to 3 outfits based on the information that you give them in your questionnaire. They put the outfits together, they send them to you. Your credit card is charged $1 just to make sure that the card is a working card. It comes to your house. You have, I think it's 3 to 5 days to try everything on in the comfort of your own home, decide what you want to keep, what you want to send back. You're given a return shipping mailer to send everything back that you don't want to keep. And yeah, I mean, how much easier could it be? The top actually that I'm wearing today is from my last Trendsend box. I love their clothing. They are by Eve, and I wasn't that familiar with their store until I went online and checked it out, and they have the nicest stuff. And it's a little pricey. It's probably comparable, in my opinion, to that of maybe Nordstrom. They have a lot of similar brands. So I received my second box yesterday, and whenever I requested my box, I asked for items that could be worn with navy dress pants so I could wear to work. I asked for items that would be transitional pieces to take me into fall. And yeah, so she was like, Cheryl, I hope you're having a great summer. I love styling your box today. Eager for you to see your outfits. I sent you a combination that will work with your navy pants and also some pieces that will work for the fall. So let me know if you need to exchange sizes. Have a great weekend. And her name is Carolyn, the lady that styled me in this box. So for outfit 1, I have, let's open up, they send everything grouped together in outfits. The first top is the Allison Joy Miller Tie top. And it's so wild because I've actually been looking at this top online. I am so excited to try this on. I think that I'm probably going to be keeping that one. The next one is going to be, it's by Allison Joy as well. The top that I'm wearing is from Allison Joy, actually. This is the Sasha Pleat tank. I saw this one online too, and I noticed that it did have the navy, like the paisley detail in it. So it would go great with my navy work pants. Okay, the next item in this grouping is by Level 99. This is called the Daphnie Crop Kick Flare. I don't do a lot of cropped pants. And I don't have a cropped kick flare, so I am excited to try this on. It's something that I would not normally pick for myself, but that is how you discover new things, by trying new things that you wouldn't normally pick out for yourself. That is what I love about having a personal stylist. Okay, for the second bundle, let's see, this is going to be the, that's a little tank. This is the Bobbie pocket tie tank. Has the little tie in front. Little cotton tank in black. Very cute. Okay, and the next item is a cardigan. This is by Olive and Oak. This is one of the items that I was dying for fall, to take into the fall season. This is so super cute. I cannot wait to try this on. This is the Mila Open Cardy. Okay, and the next item is by A Gold E. These are the Sophie high-rise crop. Little denim crop. Very cute. I have never tried this brand on, so I'm excited to see what I think about it. Can't wait. And my third bundle, on every little bundle, one of the things that I love about Trendsend is that everything is so positive and so motivating, and it's all geared toward busy moms who don't have the time to run out to the mall and spend hours trying on outfits. So you can just have the outfits sent to you and look super cute effortlessly, basically. Anyway, this one says do all things with love. So love that. Just love that. Okay, this is gonna be the Peyton, Jensen, I think this is a Skort dress. I think it's like the little, has the little shorts. It's like the little shorts underneath. That's interesting. I love that color. Beautiful. That would be a beautiful color for fall. Okay, and the next item, oh my, this one is by Mod Ref. This is the Simone Bodycon Modal dress. This one is gonna be a shape hugger, I'm afraid, but that is okay. We will try it on. We will see what we think. Who knows? There may be something in this box that will just absolutely change my life. We never know. We never know. Okay guys, so this is the little cardigan by Olive and Oak. They're calling it the Mila Open Cardi. It's in oatmeal. This one is $78. It's very cute, very comfy and cozy. Little cable knit. It's got the little side splits, open front. This is what it looks like from the back. I really like this. It's all cozy and warm, and it makes you think about fall and campfires and pumpkin spice everything. So it's giving me the warm and fuzzy feeling in my tummy. So I paired it with the little Skort dress, the little olive green Skort dress. This is by Peyton Jensen. It's the Kiki Skort dress. It's $78. It's just like a little V-neck. It has the little built-in shorts. Has the little side split. It's like a cottony t-shirt material with an elastic waist. This is what it looks like from behind. I just paired it with some metallic loafers that I got from Nordstrom. I think this would be cute with a pair of Chucks, like a denim jacket. You could totally do it with the cardigan like I had on earlier. Yeah, just a cute little, pull it on, look cute, really quick, little outfit. Okay guys, here is the little bodycon dress. This is by Mod Ref. It's the Simone Bodycon Modal dress in charcoal. This one is $88. And y'all, it's making you girl kind of wish she hadn't ate that last chocolate chip cookie. It's very form-fitting. So it's very cute though. It's ruched on the side, which helps to make it a little more forgiving. It has a split, like a faux wrap detail in front with a little scooped, like a little scalloped hem. It's very soft. It is relatively comfortable, even though it is very form-fitting. Here's what it looks like from behind. I have it on with just a pair of black booties. I think you could totally do a cardigan with it. It would be cute with like some Chucks. If you wanted to kind of dress it down, you could do a denim jacket with it as well. I grabbed a leather jacket just from my own closet, just to show you kind of what, if you wanted like an edgier look, just put it with the little, leave it with the little booties. You could totally wear a blazer with it, and a pair of nice heels if you wanted to dress it up more. But yeah, very cute little dress. Okay, so this is the Miller Tie top. This one it's by the brand Allison Joy. It's $68. I am in love with this top, you guys. It's 100% polyester. It has a unique sort of sleeve detail where they're like straight and then they like flare out. They have the little cuffs, the little tie in front. Now, if you want to wear it to where it's sort of blousy, you could like fold it over. But if you were wearing it like with leggings or something, you could totally pull it down, and it has like the rounded hem behind, so you could like cover up your booty if you want to cover up your booty a little bit. I just paired it with the little crop kick flares. They're by Level 99. They are called the Daphnie crop kick flare in black. They are on sale for $79. They're very stretchy. They're very comfortable. They have like the little zip front pockets. Very cute. I'm going to back up and let you see kind of what they look like at the bottom. I don't think that these would be my particular style because I think I spent my whole life trying to find pants that were long enough. These just make me feel like they're flooding pants, which I guess that's the idea, but it's not my particular taste. They are cute. They are very comfy though. And they would go great with this top. It's like it has like a little black pinstripe in it. So yeah, it would be a cute look for work. Now I'm wearing the Allison Joy. This is the Sophie Pleat tank. This is $58. It is like a burgundy background with like a navy and white, like a paisley print. It has like almost like a faux wrap front. It's very flowy. It's a little bit longer in the back. I can appreciate that. You could totally do the front tuck if you wanted, or just let it be kind of swingy. I paired it with the A Gold E Sophie high rise crop. They are $138. They are super cute as well. Back up and let you see that. I just paired it with some little taupe, pink toe booties that I think I got from Stitch Fix for a really cute, just a cute little comfy running errands, going out for dinner, whatever sort of look. You can totally like throw on the little cardigan over it for a cool night. Very cute. This little top, I had asked for blouses that could be worn with like navy pants, so I'm probably going to be keeping the top. I just did a switcheroo with the tops. I kept on the little crop jeans. This is the little pocket tie tank in black by the brand Bobbie. It's $48. It's just like a little sleeveless t-shirt with a tie. It's very cute. The back. It would look super cute with the little crop jeans as well. You can totally throw a cardigan on over it. Just a cute little fun piece with a little interesting detail with the tie in the front. So I'll be back in just a second with my final thoughts on this Trendsend box. Okay guys, so final thoughts on this Trendsend box are, I really like all of it. Some of the items would obviously be better suited for my lifestyle. I want to try to get the optimum amount of use out of an item if I'm going to purchase it. So certain items probably wouldn't be things like the little Skort outfit. I probably just wouldn't wear that much. Not that it's not cute, just wouldn't fit into my lifestyle. I'm already thinking, when can I order my next box, because I just love them so much. So I will leave all the information about the items that I received in this box in the description box below. Leave me a comment, let me know what you liked, and if you got something in your Trendsend box that you think I might like, I'd love to hear about that too. If you would like to like and subscribe to my channel, I would love that. I'd be so honored to have you do that. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.